The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 22, Entrustment. We will certainly do as the Bhagavat directs us. O Bhagavat, we entreat you to feel no anxiety. All the Bodhisattva Mahasattvas uttered these words 3 times in this way, saying, We will do as the Bhagavat directs us. O Bhagavat, we entreat you to feel no anxiety. At that time, in order to cause all the Buddhas who were his magically created forms, and who had come from the 10 directions, to return to their own lands, Shakyamuni Buddha said this: All the Buddhas should be at ease. The Buddha Prabhutaratna will be restored as before. When he said this, all the innumerable Buddhas in their magically created forms from the 10 directions, sitting on the lion seats under the jeweled trees, the Buddha Prabhutaratna, the great assembly of the limitless and incalculable bodhisattvas, beginning with Visista Charitra, the 4-fold assemblies of the Shravakas, beginning with Shariputra, and the Devas, humans, and Asuras in all the worlds, having heard what the Buddha had taught, rejoiced greatly.